Well, boys and girls, if we listen closely, my friend, the great horned owl, has returned to this neighborhood. And it is not 4 in the morning. It's only 7:30 in the evening. So far I've heard him hoot 2 or 3 times. Let us listen. See if he can hoot some more. Whether he hoots or not, I have to tend to my dinner. Just a minute, I don't think you can see this. Creamy chicken pasta. I picked up 4 pounds of chicken today. It was given to me for free. It had to be used up quick. Now, I didn't bother to videotape it. All I did was, it was boneless, skinless chicken breast. And what I did was I cut it up into small chunks and I fried it up and got it bagged up and put it in the cooler with my ice packs. And some of it is over there in the pot with the pasta mix. Another Bear Creek mix. Now let's just see and listen if our friend the barn owl hoots anymore. Well, by the time I could get the camera turned on, he's moved. And my friend Hootie the owl is back. And now he's on the other side of the main road from me. That's a shame. He was right over the truck. Matter of fact, I think there's 2 of them out there talking right now. There he is. Now listen. I think there's a whole Okay, not only do I have great horned owls, but I just heard a barred owl as well. They hoot in a wholly different way. There, that's the great horned. I make out at least 5 individual great horned owls that I'm hearing. Difference in direction, difference in distance. And there's the barred. Longer, higher pitched call. That's the big one. They're really going to town tonight. And it's only about 10:30. Well, that's all I got for the moment. Well, what do you know? It's 11:05. I had to leave camp for a half hour, and I'm back. And what's the first thing I heard when I shut it off? My buddy Hootie and his pals are still around. They've unfortunately moved just far enough off that I don't think they're being heard on the camera. I'm still sitting in the truck. I'm going to see if they hoot again. But that's something else to know, that there's an entire herd of, I don't know, what is an entire group of horned owls, great horned owls? Is a flock, a murder? That's crows. A dozen or so crows is called a murder. Don't ask me why. I didn't coin the term. I'm just telling you that's what they're called. So what do you call a half dozen or so great horned owls? A herd? A flock? Not something I know. I always thought they were solitary critters. But as I said a few minutes ago, there's at least 5 or 6 that I'm hearing, off in different directions, different distances, but none of them terribly far from my camp. So, from here, Camp Smithy, peace out.
By the way, don't forget to